Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the, I think summer Walmart boxes, beauty boxes. I've had them for a couple of weeks, but just now I'm getting around to it. One is the classic, one is the Trendsetter. I can't even remember which one's which. I just tore the packaging off of it. The one is like for 30 and up and 30 and under. I just get both just to compare. Alright, so it's wrapped in pink paper, and it says, "Embrace your beauty." Body pretty. I always really enjoy the Walmart boxes. They're technically free, but you pay like a $5 shipping, flat rate shipping. Alright, so I see aches and pains, cold and allergy relief, concentrated mineral bath soak, awakening senses, rejuvenation, on-the-go relief. I'm guessing a one use packet. Has Epsom and sea salt blend to relax and restore, menthol to soothe and comfort, lemon and ginger to lift your spirit. I'm excited about that, but we don't really take a bath. We don't use the bathtub here just because there's like a crack in it, and you know, the water doesn't stay hot very long in the RV. Too small. Yeah, it's pretty small. Alright, Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Treat, 1 minute hair mask, and papaya extract. Vegan, no silicones, no parabens, but it doesn't say no sulfate, which is what I make sure is not in my shampoo and stuff. But I'll still use it, or use it on the kids. I don't know, but the hairdressers always say not to use shampoo with sulfates in it. It's supposed to be like harsh on your hair. Yeah.
If you drink like a good wine, it'll say it has like a pink.
Oh really? I don't know. I'm not really sure what it is. So a lot of
comment.
Yeah. If anyone knows, comment. Alright, so this says that it's new, and it is from Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo, paraben free. Again, doesn't say sulfate free, which is again what I do not like in my shampoo, but I'll use it, or I'll let the kids use it. It says Gentle Shampoo, Oat Delicacy, Oat Milk, and Rice Cream Extracts. Just one use. And then there's some like advertisements, Skin Active treatment thing, the whole blends. They're not coupons, just advertisements. Please be a sheet mask. Yay! Oh, it's a Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask. Hyaluronic acid instantly quenches skin, deeply hydrates, leaves skin supple and hydrated. That looks really nice. I'm so excited about this one. And then there is Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. Find me in the skincare aisle. It's just a one-time sample. And then I see new Thick and Soft Kleenex wet wipes. Those are always good to have when you have kids. That's a really good box. I like it. Just wish there was some makeup in that. Alright, so here's the other box. Has the same card. And I see a bunch of advertisements, the same ones. Another whole blend shampoo, another bath soak, the same treatment, the same skin thing, the same Kleenex thing, but a different sheet mask, which I like these as well. This is So AE. It has donkey milk in it, salmon egg extract, 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation, skin gel mask. I don't know what these gel masks are. I mean, usually it just says like sheet mask, but these are gel mask. Donkey milk skin gel mask. Intriguing. Well, that's it, you guys. Kind of disappointed there's no makeup in it. And I don't really like getting shampoo samples, especially if they're not kind I'm going to be able to use. I usually get like a lot of anti-aging, but like a whole, like a, not just a sample. I usually get those like in every box of these. But this is the first time I just got like a one-use sample, but I usually do like, gosh, I can't remember the brand, but it's like, it's been in all of my past Walmart beauty boxes, and I really like it for my under eye. But I mean, it's only $5 each. You kind of push in at Walmart, like, to where it's not worth it. Like, usually you get, like I said, a couple of full-size things, and that was a lot of sample packets. I really like that. But the sheet mask, oh my gosh, I can't believe those actually were in here. Especially the Neutrogena one. That's kind of expensive, isn't it? Maybe even this one's kind of expensive. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Catch you guys later.